In this video, I'll detail how to mirror videos on iPhone on iOS 18. So the essence of this is to flip your video. So if you record a left side video, you can easily flip it to the right side or from right to left. So this is going to mirror the video just the way you want it. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to mirror a video on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the camera app to record a new video, or open an existing video on the Photos app. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and open existing video on the Photo app. So open the Photos app like this, and then this is the existing video I have. Then you can just use any video of your choice. It doesn't matter using a particular video. Just go ahead and search for any video on the Photos app on your iPhone. So let's scroll down, click on this up and down menu, click on filter, and then select videos. Then this is going to show some of the videos I have on my iPhone. Then open the video you want to mirror like this. Then once you open it, click on this three lines icon here. This is going to pop an option to edit this video. Then click on crop. Once you selected crop, come down beneath cancel here and click on the mirror icon. Click on this. This is going to flip the video, and then it's going to flip it sideways. So once you're done flipping this, just go ahead and click on done. Then you should see the video flipped. This is the original video, and this is the flipped video. See that? So that is how you can easily flip video on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.